In this quick and short video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your player speed in Among Us. So once you've launched the game, and this will work on Android, iOS and PC, it's the same process for all. So once you've launched the game, tap on online, and then you want to go ahead and create a game by tapping on create game at the top. Select your map, select the amount of imposters you want and the max players, click confirm. And now you'll be in the game, and as you can see, if I move around, I have the normal speed. So what you need to do is navigate your way to the computer, and then you see the customize button is available for you to tap on at the bottom right. Tap on customize laptop button, and then you want to tap on game on the far right at the top there in the menu. And if you scroll down, you can now see player speed, which is on 1 times, and you can increase it all the way up to 3 times. So if I make it 3 times and then exit out of here, you can now see that I have a much faster speed of 3 times. So that is how you change your player speed in Among Us. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.